Hello everyone, welcome to the Daily Biology MCQ series of NEET Buddy, where we are providing you with daily biology MCQs from one of the chapters of class 11th or class 12th NCERT Biology, and the topic for today's MCQs is what you are seeing on screen. So without wasting much time, let's get started. Question number 1. Characteristic of cells of region of meristematic activity in root is. There are four characteristics of cell is given. You have to identify which of these is the characteristic of cell which is found in the region of meristematic activity in root. Option A, rapid division. Option B, rapid elongation. Option C, rapid maturation. Or option D, production of root hair. Characteristic of cells of region of meristematic activity is. The correct answer is option A, that is rapid division. Question 2. Thorns are modification of stem seen in option A, Bougainvillea, option B, Euphorbia, option C, Opuntia, option D, Colocasia. Thorns as modification of stem is seen in which of the following plants? The correct answer is option A, that is Bougainvillea. Question 3. Spine as modification of leaf is seen in option A, Bougainvillea, option B, Euphorbia, option C, Opuntia, or option D, Colocasia. Spines as modification of leaves is seen in. The correct answer is option C, that is Opuntia, also known as cactus, right? So the two MCQs that came together, you need to remember that thorn is a modification of stem and spine is a modification of leaf. Thorn is modification of stem which is found in Bougainvillea, and Opuntia contains spine which is a modification of leaves. Question 4. Phyllotaxy refers to option A, arrangement of flowers on stem, option B, arrangement of leaves on stem, option C, arrangement of fruits on stem, or option D, arrangement of seeds in fruit. Phyllotaxy refers to. The correct answer is option B, that is arrangement of leaves on stem. Question 5. Alternate type of phyllotaxy is seen in which of the following? In all of the following except. Four options are given. In out of these, three show alternate type of phyllotaxy and one doesn't. You have to identify which one is not showing alternate type of phyllotaxy. Option A, China rose. Option B, mustard. Option C, sunflower. Option D, calotropis. Alternate type of phyllotaxy is seen in all except. The correct answer is option D, calotropis. Question 6. All of the following are actinomorphic flowers except option A, Caucasia, option B, mustard, option C, Dhatura, or option D, chili. All of the following are actinomorphic flower except. The correct answer is option A, that is Cassia. Cassia is not an actinomorphic flower. Question 7. Flowers of mustard, China rose and brinjal are option A, hypogynous, option B, epigynous, option C, perigynous, or option D, none of above. Flower of mustard, China rose and brinjal are. The correct answer is option A, that is hypogynous. The flowers of these plants are hypogynous. Question 8. All of the following are perigynous flower except. All of the following are perigynous flowers except option A, palm, option B, rose, option C, peach, option D, China rose. All of the following are perigynous flowers except. The correct answer is option D, China rose. China rose doesn't have a perigynous flower. Question 9. Types of estivation seen in Calotropis is option A, valvate, option B, twisted, option C, imbricate, or option D, vexillary. Types of estivation seen in Calotropis is. The correct answer is option A, that is valvate type of estivation is seen in Calotropis. Question 10. Type of placentation seen in China rose is option 1, marginal, option B, exile, option C, parietal, or option D, free central. Type of placentation seen in China rose is. The correct answer is option B, that is exile. Other plants showing exile placentation are very common example. Lemon, right? Lemon and tomato, they also show exile placentation just like China rose. Question number 11. Keel is the characteristic feature of flower of Indigofera, aloe, tomato, or tulip. Keel is the characteristic feature of the flower of. The correct answer is option A, Indigofera. Question number 12. An example of a seed with endosperm, perisperm, and caruncle is. Example of a seed with endosperm, perisperm, and caruncle is coffee, lily, castor, cotton. The correct answer is option C, castor. Question number 13. Which one of the following is resistant to enzyme action? Resistant to enzyme action. Leaf cuticle, cork, wood fiber, or pollen exine. Which of the following is resistant to the enzyme action? The correct answer is option D, that is pollen exine. Question number 14. Plasmodesmata are locomotory structure, membranes connecting nucleus with plasmalemma, connection between adjacent cells, or option D, lignified cemented layer between the cells. Plasmodesmata are. The correct answer is option C, connections between adjacent cells. Question number 15. An example of exile placentation is dianthus, lemon, marigold, argemon. Example of exile placentation. Correct answer is option B, lemon. So those are the 15 MCQs for today. We'll see you guys again tomorrow with another set of 15 MCQs, and the topic for tomorrow's MCQ session would be the next chapter of class 11th NCERT biology. Do read that chapter up, and if you found this helpful, do share it with your friends as well. So we'll see you guys tomorrow. Till then, all the best and keep working hard. Do like and share this video if you find it helpful, and if you're new out here, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you guys for watching. Bye bye.